Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My hair's crazy because today we are going to be doing a hair styling video. So I'm going to be doing a wet look. I previously did a wet look, but it was like all slicked back. This time I'm going to do a wet look of my hair forward. So let's get into it. The products I'm going to be using are water, clips, my denim brush. I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner, and I think I'm going to use this butter, a gel, and a mousse. Also, I'm going to be using a hairspray. This just happens to be the one I have. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pretty much style my hair like I would normally, except for adding the more products so that it'll stay wet looking when it's dry. Clearly my hair's not wet, so I'm going to section off the top section because that's what I'm going to be doing last. I'm just going like my eyebrow, outer eyebrow, back. My rainbow hair is fading, unfortunately. I split down the back and I'm doing each side. Oh, I need to turn the heater out individually. Okay, I brushed her out. Now I'm gonna do leave-in conditioner first, then the cream, then the gel and mousse. And I'm gonna finish the whole style with hairspray once I style the whole head of hair. Sorry if you can hear the wind. It's windy again for the 100th day in a row. Now I'm just gonna take my denim brush and brush it through to create my curls. I kind of like twist it up a little bit, and then I just keep, if I brush through once and it looks how I want it, then I'm just leave it, but if it doesn't look how I want it, I just do it again. Okay, now for the next section.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. You
Okay, for the last step, hairspray. I feel like this is gonna take ages to dry. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and come back and see how it looks. Bye. Silent dancing. Okay, my hair is completely dry. But you wouldn't even notice because it looks wet. It's like I just jumped out of the ocean and my hair is perfect curl wetness. So here's the finished wet hair look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. I look like a mermaid. A curly mermaid. Should we take you outside? Here's what it looks like outside in the sunlight. It is setting, the sun. Where's the best light? Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye! Wet mermaid hair out. Oh, did I just come out of the ocean? Maybe.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained.